Sorry, I guess it'll have to be in a two-parter. I accidentally pressed stop and not pause. That's a tad frustrating. I guess I could try to splice these two together. I don't really like dealing with that kind of jazz anymore for the tube. That don't sound good. I think it was just an axle clicking on that rock. Still, something's telling me pursue other opportunities. Not sure there's any way we crest these two rocks from here. Maybe. Wow. 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 Yo. Man. Look at that. Look at the gap it just crested. That's so cool. Oh, and I blew it. I had it, you guys. I got cocky and greedy. Let's try to restage right there. Maybe that's about in the location. You know what? Really what it was is I shouldn't have moved my own physical presence. This is a really tricky. Oh, it's going. It's going. Right? As soon as that back end comes off. What's that? No, there it goes. Should not have cut over to the right any further. Now we got it. No, we don't. Restage again. I lost the lid to my water jug, which means I'm gonna lose my cigarettes, my beer can, and my M&Ms. Damn it. Who knew, right? Secret stash inside the water jug. Here you thought I was a Gatorade aficionado. Oh, it's just gonna come right out. I did not restage this properly. And we are toast. Let's see if I can save it. There we go. Now we got the save in the house. Look at it just reposition itself like it's got a freaking dig over here, you guys. That is something. Now we can start to work our way back. No, no. Oh, 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 it's going. It's wanting to go. There it is. Up, 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 up. Good job. Sorry for ill camera work, but one has to actually be a good driver to do this right here. or don't let me brag, one has to actually be paying attention to how they're driving to have any shot. Since I blew it like 3 times and had to reset, that would not be me. Oh, this truck's a joy. I could do without the speed. We'll figure out the speed for snow and mud soon. We'll go over there and see how it does here in a minute in the mud. We'll get an idea what kind of wheel speed performance we get with the Fling Kings. I feel like we're going to need 3S and better drive pins. Hope I'm wrong. Should we try going down? Sure, why not? Keep teasing you guys for the mud sesh. The beauty about having this kind of speed control was you could go slow and not tip over and stop at the last second before you tip over. That's a big shoe to stick in my mouth right now. Told you, not much for driving. There's a straight shot down. Get ready for a dump. So we can work our way into the crevice. Oh! It's about to give it a no, sir. I thought it was about to dump. It might still be. Oh, my battery. I can't see my screen anymore. Looks like you're not going to get a mud show, you guys. Cell phone battery is in cahoots. Don't even know if we're still recording. Wow. Frustrating. Well, if we are, you're seeing an impressive downhill performance. Oh. Down she goes. Cue the mud. That didn't take long. That's a little thick. Okay. Let's head this way instead. Yeah, this is the area that swallowed up my entire Emo X4. Not going too well so far. Not for lack of trying. That's gonna be fun cleaning up. You hear it getting all tangled in there. It's not just mud, it's a lot of leaves and grass. Certainly doing well with the waterproofing so far. Oh, I can't even get it out of there. Oh, look at that. Look at that, you guys. Is that the muddiest ARKTOS 6x6 you've ever seen? Come on, gotta be. Can't even believe it's still going. Oh, it's broken. Front end broken. Well, let's go home and diagnose. That's a disaster. Epic style. Still crawling. Probably just a broken drive pin up front, I'm guessing. You guys, I hope I get some views and some comments, because I'm gonna spend some hours cleaning that up. At least you tried. I mean, yeah, every wheel's got to come off for sure. No doubt about it. Ooh, doggy. Hope you enjoyed. Do it all for the tubular. Definitely needs more wheel speed in the mud. Oh, what a mess. Ciao. I'm gonna pour it in on that front end soon. God bless you all.